New dispatch.
Engine 92, Confire.
Go ahead.
Cover Station 85.
92 copies.
9Y4, 1063. It's 1179 Starbucks on Railroad. RP just witnessed a vehicle acting on the street higher for the business. White Jeep and a 10 Honda. Both vehicles are 1125. One person in the 10 Honda is unconscious but is breathing. There's also a small child that needs medical. 3 en route.
Truck 81, Truck 6, Engine 92, Medic 56, and Battalion 9 respond for a accident with rescue. 2285 Railroad Avenue, across the Bliss Avenue. 2285 Railroad Avenue, going to be for a tan Honda. Driver is unconscious versus a white Jeep with a child that's also needing medical. SO is en route.
5-6. Can you start a second ambulance?
Confire, copy.
Confire, Battalion 2. I'm clearing here. I can handle railroad. Show me en route.
Confire, copy. Battalion 2 handling railroad. Battalion 9, cancel response.
The white Jeep is smoking, and the door to the 10 Honda is crushed.
Engine 92, go ahead.
Can we request the air ambulance for possible transport of the pediatric patient?
Confire, copy. Is requesting a helo. Air 1 showing available.
There's no child trapped in the vehicle.
No child trapped in the vehicle.
There is an unconscious male in a Mercedes vehicle.
Unconscious male in the Mercedes vehicle.
Air 1, additional response to the accident with rescue 2285 Railroad Avenue, 2285 Railroad in Pittsburgh. Response for accident with possible rescue and child involved.
Unconscious, but male is breathing.
I copy, he is breathing.
Battalion 2, Confire.
Go ahead.
Battalion 2, Air 1 accepted, 10-minute ETA, 10.
Tell me. 10-minute ETA.
And we're just advised the male in the vehicle is trapped and the door will not open.
I copy. The male in the vehicle is trapped and the door will not open. My 512.
Or the male is awake.
Copy, he is awake. All units responding to railroad. SO on scene advising your male subject is awake and breathing but is trapped in the vehicle. Engine 92, go ahead.
On scene with PD and AMR, we got 2 vehicles, moderate damage, out checking for injuries, establishing railroad IC, and requesting a TAC channel.
Railroad IC, you can use Charlie 2 for TAC, Charlie 2.
Male in the vehicle has complaint of chest pain.
I copy. Complaint of chest pains. We're repeating fire. Fire is saying that they have a helicopter en route for this. Is it looking like that's still needed for transport?
Charles, the Boulevard Stroke, Engine 92 is going on scene as well.
Copy. And Engine 92 going on scene.
On fire, railroad IC.
Engine 92, go ahead. Correction, railroad IC, go ahead.
4 patients, 3 green, 1 yellow. You cancel the air ambulance, requesting additional 2 ALS ambulance code 3 for a total of 4. We also have 1 patient that's going to need minor extrication.
Fire is advising negative on air. They're going to be canceling on their end. But yeah, 2 expedited 1185s. Please, we're blocking traffic.
3rd and 4th in ambulance. 2285 Railroad, 2285 Railroad Avenue, across of Leland. Additional response, code 3. Confire, Air 1, copy, cancel, available at base. Confire, copy.
Extrication's been complete. You can cancel the second truck, continue the first truck for manpower. Confire, railroad IC.
Railroad IC, go ahead.
Canceling the request for the 4th ALS ambulance.
Confire, copy. Canceling the 4th ambulance. Medic 54, cancel response. Medic 54, cancel.
Medic 54, copy, cancel.
Occupants of the Mercedes being transported to John Muir.
I copy. Occupants of the Mercedes transported to John Muir. Confirm Concord or Walnut Creek.
Confirm Walnut Creek.
Copy, Walnut Creek.
Confire, railroad IC.
Railroad IC, go ahead.
Breaking down IC, truck 81's available, engine 92 is going to be on scene, available.